this, that, and this other amazing one too. They were all generated using amazing AI tool known as Grok AI. Just Grok AI. We use them in generating these amazing thumbnails that can resonate with your YouTube audience. No matter how bad the video is, definitely people gonna watch me looking at these thumbnails. Okay, so in this tutorial I will be teaching you step-by-step guide on how you can generating amazing thumbnails like this using AI. Just AI. Stay glued to this channel and then please subscribe and share so that other of your friends too can benefit from this video. YouTube thumbnails using AI. Okay, I will show you a practical step on how to do that. All you just need to do is to stay patient and follow the tutorial till it finishes so that you can be able to get the basic knowledge on how to go about some of these things. Okay, now you need to pay close attention, number one, and you need to follow the training step by step. Whatsoever instructions that be given, you follow it accordingly so that you'll be able to gain the full knowledge of what the training is all about. So, and the introduction part of it says, have you ever wondered how some YouTubers create attractive YouTube thumbnail without being a graphic designer? I know that some of us may be wondering if this is possible. Yes, it's possible. With the advent of AI so far and what AI has been doing, anything is possible. And this can be done. Okay? But you must learn how to do it in a right way for you to get a tangible result. And which is the most important reason why I came up with this tutorial. Okay? Then the second part of it says, what if I told you that even without you being a professional web designer, being a Photoshopper, being a graphic designer, you are not designing anything at all, you don't have any knowledge about it at all, nothing, that you can equally design a professional YouTube thumbnails that will get you clicks, that people can view and want to, view your video. They want to see your video, what you have there, because of the kind of sharp clicking thumbnails that you have. Okay? Then the second phase of it, we'll be talking about why thumbnail matters. Okay? Now, thumbnail matters because it's the most important thing that you will see even before seeing your video is a thumbnail. So it is very, very important to pick that. And this, okay? If you have a good thumbnail, that means amazing AI tool, having good viewers. But if your thumbnail is boring, there will be no click. No matter how good the video is, no matter how good the video is, you have a boring thumbnail, there will be no audience. So AI will help us do that. Then people gonna watch. The help of AI, that this saves time. Okay. So in this tutorial, I will be teaching and that's what we'll be step by step guide other ideas on how you can be generating amazing, we improve quality and test different styles. Trust we'll be fast on this so that stay glued to this channel and then please subscribe that, okay? Now share so that other of your friends too can benefit. We're talking about the AI tools that we'll be using. That's the most important thing for your AI generation. We need a quality thumbnail so that it can resonate with our YouTube audience. Even if you want to post it on social media, any Facebook at all, whatever you want to post, you can resonate with your audience. You understand? So that is why on this particular course, we'll be using Grok AI to generate our YouTube thumbnails. Okay? Then, third, the AI for you to talk to the AI. This is what I want you to do for me. I want you to do that for me. You don't need to just type in any random words. You don't begin to type in any random words no. You calm down. Tell your AI that this is what I want. Generate this for me. I need you to do this for me. Let it be concise with effectiveness. Let it function like you are talking to your normal human being. Okay, for instance, you are that graphic designer and this is what you want as your thumbnail. You've already pictured the color, what you want. So that is how you communicate to AI that this is what I want you to generate for me. Then another thing is prompting. You must have a good prompt. You must have a good prompt. If you don't have a good prompt, forget about it. And if you don't know how to prompt, forget about it too. You must know how to prompt your AI for your AI to generate what you want. Okay? Now, for instance, you cannot say, make a finance thumbnail. You say to it, make it finance thumbnail. It will just generate what you inputted. That will be the output. It can come up with anything. But if you prompt your AI, like what I said, create a high contrast YouTube thumbnail showing a blocked man, a shocked man, holding a laptop with glowing dollar signs. Both are saying AI made me $5,000. A dramatic lightning, focus sharp, optimized for mobile too. So this is what you tell your AI to do for you. Then the more detailed you are, the better result. So we are going to copy this and I will generate this for us to see. I will copy this now. That's part of what I created. I'll copy it and tell our Grok AI to generate this for us. So prompting is very important. And there are 5 elements you must focus on for you to generate a wonderful thumbnail. When prompting, focus on this. You said emotion, shocked. The person can be shocked, excited, like those pictures you see there. Like how you want to demonstrate it, how you want it to be. Shocked, excited, or curious. How you want the text to be. How do you want it? Do you want the text bold? High contrast colors, simple background, clear, all of that. That is what you want your AI to do for you. And that's how you improve those tests. Okay, I have a bonus for us. Some of these things, this is it. You don't just generate one thumbnail. You can create like 3 to 5 variations, depending on what you tell your ChatGPT to do for you, or you tell your AI to do for you. That's what they will generate for you. You understand me? So you have about 3 to 5 variations on this. Then, the second or any of it can match what you are looking for, and you are good to go. So whenever you are prompting your AI, these important key factors matters. These keywords, it matters a lot. Say high contrast, bold typography, expressive facial emotion, high focus, cinematic. These are the important things, and we are going to use them one after the other to see how this is being done. So please follow me as we walk you through. Welcome guys. I'm currently on my browser now, and this is my document where I saved most of the prompt that I've been working with all this while. So this prompt, I generated them for most of the work I've done so far. And if you see, the title here, it's on about 5 different niche. If you can see, we have on finance, education, drama, entertainment, tech, and all of that. So all of these, we are prompting, they are generated by me entirely using AI. So that is the most beautiful thing of how to use it. You must learn how to communicate with it for it to give you the exact result which you are looking for. Okay, so I will give you the practical guide now. In a few minutes we'll be done. Just in a few minutes we'll be done. Just stay patient, stay glued to this channel, and subscribe. Also invite your friends for them to subscribe so that we can grow together and they will learn too. If you share to them, they will learn from this. So now let's kickstart with this. Okay, I said generate a high. I think we've done some of this. If you check on Grok now, this particular thumbnail, let me show you something. This is it. Okay, I said in reference to the above image, the attached image, there is one of my image that I attached. Okay, I can't get it now, but I attached my image to it. I'm referencing that they should use that my image to create, okay, a high contrast thumbnail for me, for my video. And you see the way I prompted. I told the AI to landscape ratio about making money with AI. So why I put this landscape ratio is what YouTube understands. This YouTube ratio, YouTube ratio is 10:9. Okay, that's the ratio, and it's on landscape level. And this is what we have here. If you see, look at how beautiful this thing is. Okay, So we are going to generate one now. You see this? This is poor prompting. This is the part of the example I wanted to show us what poor prompting can cause. You see how this is very boring. I can't even use this as my thumbnail to start with. I can't use this. You see how boring it is? So this is it. Assuming if you prompt your AI very well, your Grok or any other AI tool you will be using, be it ChatGPT or even Cloud, name it, Gemini, any of them, if you wish to use any of them, just for you to prompt. Prompting is the key. Now look at this, look at this, look at this. This part of the prompt which I generated. It said it is very beautiful. I said create a vibrant, so the AI versus human, it said they generated very fantastic. That is Grok for you. And this one too. AI made me, okay, $5,000. You see? It said it. So we are going to generate one again now. We are going to generate one, and another is this. If we do this, okay, we should always know that communicating with your AI matters. So this now, okay, I said, okay, you can say, I want, okay, you can say, I want about 3 variation for this thumbnail. Okay, let it resonate. Okay, resonate with my African audience on YouTube. Okay, let's see it now. Let's see what happens. You see, perfect. It's what's happening here now. Okay, I said I want about 3 variations for this YouTube. So now let's see. It has given me that African, okay, yeah. Let's resolve the African. So we are having a graphics of an African somebody there. If you check very well. Okay, I will say this is it. How to communicate with your AI matters. It's a practical step I'm showing you now. I will say I want about 3 variation for, okay, you can say for the above generated thumbnail. Let's see what happens. I see it's still coming up with this. So that means that is actually the limit you can have it. Okay, if you check, is this just a very wonderful thumbnail? If you can ask me, it's a wonderful thumbnail that we can go with. Okay, but the part of the 3 variations that is not coming up, maybe if we can still try on other platforms like maybe ChatGPT or Cloud, I think they can come up with it. But why I love using Grok AI is that, you know, it's giving me this sharp image that is so captivating that any of my audience, they can resonate with it. If you see, look at this wonderful, look at this wonderful thumbnails. Okay, look at this wonderful thumbnail. Look at this. I see how they are. So now for the purpose of this training too, the thumbnail that I will be using for this video on YouTube, I will also generate it using this Grok AI. Okay, you will see how sharp it will be. I will generate it using Grok AI. So for the purpose of our time and how far I've already spent so far, I would like to draw the curtain close here. Maybe we'll meet some other time. Then we'll be discussing about how to prompt our AI. AI prompting, very, very important. That's how to communicate with AI. Okay? Thank you.